Alright, welcome back to the channel. We got a new project to start off the new year. We're going to put that into that. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Happy New Year to everyone. So I found this frame on Craigslist. It's a Manco mini bike frame. Came with a bunch of stuff. Got these handlebars that I won't be using, but check that out. That's very cool. Little brake. Came with a bunch of cables. There's brake cables, throttle cables, throttle tubes. I think there's even a thumb throttle in there. Came with two other engines. One is a working engine and one is for more parts than anything. All for $100, so it was a really good deal and I jumped on it. This is my first attempt at an engine mount, and by no means do I think that's going to be the one. I mean, this, like I said, it's my first attempt, so it may work, it may not. It's just tacked. If it does work, I will fully weld it up, put some gussets on it, and beef it up. Now I'm going to have to do some modifications, some slight modifications to this, because as you can see, the choke lever, hits the frame, which is no big deal. I was just going to cut it down, or maybe just bend it down a way, so get it out of the way of the frame, so that will work. Whatever I use for a air filter is going to have to be awfully small to get in here. And I don't know if the chain is going to hit the muffler. I might have to put on another muffler from that angle. It looks like the chain would hit the muffler, so I will have to come up, maybe even have to fabricate something. I don't know. I did think about stretching this frame 2 inches. That might have been a good idea. I don't know. So we will see. I should also apologize for that welding footage that you just saw. That's why I sped it up and heavily filtered, because it came out like crap. But anyway, the next step would be a jack shaft. I'm going to be cutting all this off. These brackets here are for a scrub brake. This, I would imagine, was for a kickstand. So all this is going to come off. The brackets for the seat, someone cut them off, so I'm thinking maybe I can move these up here for the seat bracket, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. So yeah, that will be next, will be the jack shaft in part 2. So let me know what you guys think. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.